This is grade 5, module 5, lesson 21. The objective is to draw and identify varied two-dimensional figures from given attributes. So we're doing homework problem number 2, and it says, use what you know about quadrilaterals to answer each question below. So A says, explain when a trapezoid is not a parallelogram and sketch an example. Okay, so let's, first of all, I'm going to draw a trapezoid that is not a parallelogram. So, okay. And for this to be a trapezoid, it needs to have at least one pair of parallel lines, and this line and this line are parallel. So this is not a parallelogram because a parallelogram needs to have both opposite sides be parallel. And if you notice, this side right here and this side right here is not parallel. So my explanation is a trapezoid is not a parallelogram when it only has one pair of opposite sides that are parallel. And part B says, explain when a kite is not a parallelogram. Okay, so let's sketch out an example here. So here's my kite, and if you notice, this line, and this line, let me make that a little bit neater, are not parallel. Eventually they will intersect, and this line and this line are not parallel. I'm going to redraw that to make it a little clearer. Okay, that's a little bit better. So this line and this line are not parallel, and this line and that line is not parallel. So the kite, these two segments would be congruent, and these two segments would be congruent, but you notice that none of the opposite sides are parallel. So let's write our explanation for that. And that reads, a kite is not a parallelogram when it does not have opposite sides that are parallel.